Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about Spider-Man No Way Home. Spider-Man No Way Home will be the fourth and final MCU film of 2021. Assuming the current schedule doesn't see any additional changes. As it stands, the film is set to premiere on December 17th, a release date that's guaranteed to help Spider-Man 3 dominate the box office. But regardless of the chosen day, any Spider-Man movie would do well at the box office. With all that in mind and knowing what we know about No Way Home, the new Spidey flick might become the most successful Spider-Man film so far. First of all, Far From Home set up this sequel brilliantly with the help of fantastic post-credit scene and an epic cliffhanger. In what felt like a scene pulled from real life, a polarizing TV persona revealed the identity of Spider-Man to the world. For the first time ever in Spider-Man movie, everyone now knows Peter Parker has been Spider-Man all along. What worse, he's accused of being a criminal. That premise alone is enough to make everyone want to watch No Way Home as soon as it launches. But add all the multiverse rumors on the top of that, Spider-Man 3 is easily the most exciting Spider-Man film Sony and Marvel ever made. In this video, I'm going to talk about this Andrew Garfield interview which many people have been speculating. In a recent interview, the busy Andrew Garfield was once again asked about the rumors of his return in Spider-Man No Way Home. Garfield has been pressed about appearing in the film for months by various news outlets and has denied involvement with the production every time. In this interview, Garfield speaks and how he is afraid the movie is going to be very disappointing for people in relation to the expectations people have assigned to it. And he says, "What can I do? I have let people to be disappointed," Garfield says. "If they want to create an expectation for themselves, that's up to them." Garfield also recently spoke about a supposed leak video showing him on the set of No Way Home wearing his Spider-Man suit, saying that the footage was created with deep fake technology and once again casting doubt on the idea of him being showing up in the movie. Later, a video was shared by the person who supposedly created the Andrew Garfield deepfake photo explaining how he did it. When it comes to specific fan expectations, Spider-Man No Way Home is easily the most anticipated film in Marvel's upcoming MCU installments. This is largely due to two key factors, multiverse potentially and nostalgia. With the possibility of a character from any previous Spider-Man movies making an appearance, rumors and speculations have truly run wild, with one of the most popular theories being that Doctor Strange's multiverse tampering is leading to the first cinematic appearance of the Sinister Six. If all of this speculation and setup for potential disappointment sounds familiar, that's because the No Way Home situation is remarkably similar to another recent case of expectation derailing an MCU project. Throughout the run of Disney Plus streaming series WandaVision, viewers began to speculate that the dark force controlling Wanda's fate was the Marvel villain Mephisto. Rumors began to spread that this was indeed the case. As a WandaVision nears its conclusion, audience began to transform that speculation into expectation. When WandaVision finally ended with no Mephisto reveal, many fans were disappointed and even angry that the show hadn't unfolded in the way they had expected. Instead of judging the show based on what it has presented to them, viewers instead chose to judge it based on rumors that turned out to be false. No Way Home could be very easily suffer the same fate and be judged not for its own merits but rather for not delivering on rumors. So what do you think, guys? If you think what I said is true, please like and share this video to all Spidey fans. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye and take care.